get fraction answers with these because we're dealing with fractions. So don't be alarmed if something isn't coming out picture perfect. Could be an iffy fraction. Okay, let's say we have something like that.
Was that Ly or is that 1?
1W.
W, I'm sorry.
A Y.
I'm sorry.
You want to make everything a fraction, so how would you make the 3 a fraction?
Over 1.
Over 1. And what would be your common denominator?
14.
14. So see if you can try clearing them on your own. I'm just going to put the little 14 next to each of them. Keep forgetting to do that. And like I said, there are only 4 in the homework you got to do.
How much is that?
Probably 42.
42. 4?
Yeah.
Oh.
Looks like it's going to be a fraction. You can leave it as an improper fraction. It's not a big deal.
Will you calculate or use
Yeah, these you can use calculator. And these ones that have letters in them, you can use calculator. Because you can't really do the calculator. I'm just going to clear the fractions. That's the new part. I just want to make sure you can do it. First one should have been 2W. Second one should have been 7W. What did you get for the last number?
42.
42. Because you would say 1 goes into 14. Well, 1 goes into 14 times, but you still have to multiply and you get 42. If you have that line, you have learned the new material. That's the new step. Everything else is just a review. What would be your next step?
Combine.
Combine. What would you get when you combine them?
9W.
9W.
91.
Equals 42.
I'm stuck in there.
And what would be your last step?
Divide.
Divide. So we're getting W equals 42 over 9. Why would that not be one of the answers on the test?
Because you can remove it?
Think about it. No? 3 can go into both of them. You have to reduce it, just like we've been doing with fractions. So I can still divide the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. So 42 divided by 3 is 14. Over 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now it is reduced, and that is your final answer. So make sure you reduce. Don't get here and freak out on the final. You don't see your answer. Why? Just because you didn't reduce it. Okay? And again, you don't say, "Oh, it's a fraction. It's horrible." Well, you're done. You don't have to do anything with it. Okay? All right. So that was 7-6. The one that we have.
Isn't there a rule when they're all common on the bottom?
Huh?
In this, if you have a common on the bottom, you can just eliminate those and multiply by the factor at the top, right?
Are you talking about if all these are the same?
Okay, go back to your first one, Y3. It all works. In other words, if I'm just like I'm doing the factors of 3 and 4, and then just multiplying the tops. 12. Y4 would be the first one. 3 would be on the
Yeah,
next
that's all
one.
I'm doing. I'm
Right.
just showing it.
So I just, okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
And
I'm
then,
just showing it with more steps to it. Yeah. All right, the next thing.